Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automatically color code calendar appointments in Outlook. This is a fantastic way to organize your schedule visually, making it easier to identify different types of meetings or events at a glance. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This step is essential as it loads all your emails and calendar data. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. Once everything is loaded, you'll have full access to all your calendar features and settings. Now that your email has loaded, it's time to navigate to your calendar menu. Look towards the bottom left part of your screen where you'll see the calendar icon. Click on it to switch from your inbox view to your calendar view. This is where you'll be spending most of your time managing and organizing your appointments. From your calendar menu, navigate to the View tab at the top of your screen and click on it. Under the View tab, you'll need to look for the View Settings option, which is represented by a gear icon. Click on this icon and an advanced View Settings window will appear. This window contains several customization options that allow you to personalize how your calendar displays information. Within the Advanced View Settings window, locate and click on the Conditional Formatting button. This is where the magic happens. A new conditional formatting window will open up, giving you the power to create custom color codes for your appointments based on specific criteria. Start by naming this first color code for your calendar. You might choose names like meeting, agenda, interview, or any other category that fits your scheduling needs. This name helps you remember what each color represents. Once you've entered the name, pick a color from the drop-down menu. Choose something that's visually distinct so you can easily spot these appointments on your calendar. Next, you'll need to add in the conditions that determine which appointments get this color code. You can set conditions based on certain words in the appointment title, how they're organized, specific attendees, or even the time of day. Take your time here to configure the condition accurately, as this ensures your color coding works exactly as you want it to. Once you've set up your conditions, click on OK. Finally, click on OK again to save the automatic color code appointments by conditions. Your calendar will now automatically apply your chosen colors to appointments that meet your specified criteria, making your schedule much more organized and easier to navigate at a glance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.